Casey, just ask nicely.
He's not gonna give them to me. I want my Butterfinger.
Listen.
I want my Butterfinger.
Call the orthodontist on Monday.
Oh, I don't care. I want my Butterfinger.
If they tell you it's okay for you to eat a Butterfinger.
Cameron, get out of the way.
Cameron still has his.
No, I don't. I hate Butterfingers anyway. I
I want my
Butterfingers. I
Butterfinger.
hate
Let
Butterfingers.
him have Butterfinger.
I want my Butterfinger. No.
I wonder how many thumbs up I'll get.